Welcome to our channel. If your Element TV remote is not working, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we'll explore some quick fixes to help you get your remote back in working order. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check the batteries. The first and most common issue is dead batteries. Open the back of the remote and remove the batteries. Check if they are still functioning by using a battery tester. If you don't have a tester, replace them with new batteries to see if this resolves the issue. Step 2. Reset the remote. Sometimes, a simple reset can fix the problem. Remove the batteries from the remote and press each button for about 10 seconds. This helps to discharge any residual power. After that, reinstall the batteries and try using the remote again. Step 3. Ensure proper pairing. If your remote uses Bluetooth, it may need to be repaired with your TV. To do this, hold down the home button or the pairing button, depending on your model, for a few seconds. Follow the on-screen instructions to repair the remote with your Element TV. Step 4. Clear obstructions. Check if there are any obstructions between the remote and the TV that might be blocking the infrared signal. Make sure the path is clear and that you are pointing the remote directly at the TV. Step 5. Check for interference. Remove any electronic devices that might cause interference with the remote. Devices like fluorescent lights, other remotes, or even furniture can interfere with the infrared signal. Experiment with different angles and distances to see if this improves functionality. Step 6. Test with another device. If available, try using your Element TV remote on another compatible TV or device to rule out an issue with the remote itself. If it works elsewhere, the problem may be with your TV. Step 7. Factory reset the TV. If none of the above steps worked, consider performing a factory reset on your Element TV. This will reset all settings and might help resolve the remote issue. Please note that this will erase all your settings, so make sure to take note of any important configurations. Step 8. Contact support. If all else fails, it may be time to reach out to Element TV customer support for further assistance or to inquire about a replacement remote if yours is defective. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.